with summer.
Hey guys, it's Giridhar here. Gone are the days where we just had games like Pac-Man or Snake in a mobile phone. These days, mobile phones are all about gaming. Well, there is this camera angle to it, but the wind is completely changing towards a gaming scenario. Thanks to the launch of Razer phone and also the recently launched Asus ROG phone, gamers have been overjoyed with these kind of mobile phones coming to the market exclusively for them. One such mobile phone I have in my hand is this Xiaomi's Blackshark. Xiaomi Blackshark mobile phone is not yet available in India. In fact, I'm not sure even if the mobile phone will be available in India anytime. I got a chance to play around with this mobile phone at Xiaomi's company-owned, company-operated exclusive experience zone in Bengaluru. So let me show you this mobile phone and share my thoughts about the Xiaomi's Blackshark with you in this video. The Blackshark has got a 5.99-inch IPS LCD panel. The max resolution here is 2160 by 1080. But that's not the highlight of the display. The display supports 60 Hz of refresh rate. Nothing compared to the 120 or the 90 Hz refresh rate supported by Razer phone or the ROG phone. But still, 60 Hz is a lot, considering that today we have mobile phones in the market which max out at 30 Hz. Apart from that, this mobile phone is powered by a Snapdragon 845 processor with Adreno 630, and this arrangement is cooled by a liquid cooling technology. Mobile phone comes in two internal memory variants, 64 and 128 GB, but it doesn't have any micro SD card slot. The sides and bottom of this mobile phone has all the usual ports and buttons and slots. But one different button here is the switch to the Shark Zone. The Shark Zone is essentially a customized gaming zone on the Blackshark, which lets you access a lot of gaming features that's there on this mobile phone. If you buy a gaming controller separately for this mobile phone, you can attach it and get more out of a gaming experience. The mobile phone by itself is not a slim mobile phone. It is 9.5 mm thick and also 198 grams heavy. But what I like about the design of this mobile is the fact that it is a flat design and yet a futuristic looking mobile phone. It is made of plastic but a good quality polycarbonate. Adding to the excitement for the gamers, this mobile phone has dual speakers, one the bottom firing, the second speaker is integrated along with the earpiece on the top. The speakers are loud, but what I really liked about this mobile phone is the screen refresh rate makes the gaming look very smooth. The colors are all punchy, natural, and there is no question of frame lag or frame drop at all when you play any game in this mobile phone. It has 4000 mAh of battery, and unlike any other Xiaomi mobile phone which has MIUI on top of it, this mobile phone has a skin which is called the Joy UI. The Joy UI is skinned on top of Android 8.1 in this mobile phone. The Xiaomi's Blackshark mobile phone may not boast about its camera capability, but still it has a 20 megapixel front-facing camera and a 20 megapixel rear-facing camera with a 12 megapixel depth sensor. I wish Xiaomi brings this mobile phone to India. This is a very exciting mobile phone, and I'm sure there is an exclusive market in India as well for gaming mobile phones, which is yet to be tapped. What do you think the price of this mobile phone should be if at all Xiaomi decides to launch this mobile phone in India? Share your thoughts with me in the comment section below, and I'll catch up with you on the next video. Until then, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.